how to add employees to Payron in Xero. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to add employees to the Payron that you're doing. So first things first, click on Business and navigate to Payron. After that, over here, let's click on New Payron. And let's select frequency over here. Let's simply skip the setup and the payment date, which is today, and click on Next. After that, over here, you have the options to add a new employee. And now simply enter the new employee's name. So let's say Larry Bird. Click on Add. And now we have a new employee under our Payron. We can now simply enter their payment information over here, how much they are going to be paid, stuff like that. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.